What's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I just wanted to ask you a very simple question, you guys, and that is basically, are you making any money online? I know you're searching around on the internet, you're watching this video right now, so you want to know how to start generating income online for yourself. And I'm curious, how much money have you actually made? Have you made any money at all? What are the different types of businesses that you've tried online, and how did you succeed and how did you fail in those? Let me know down in the comments. I'm just curious. I'm trying to learn about my audience here, and I want to help you as much as I possibly can, you guys. I've spent the past 15 years trying several different businesses, you guys, more than I can count on my two hands. And literally, I've failed so many times, but I've learned a lot of stuff, and I know exactly what you should be doing, and I know exactly what you shouldn't be doing, and I know exactly what you need to change up here so that you can actually succeed. Because what you're going to learn through this process is basically that it's more about what's happening on the inside of you and in your mind than anything else that you're doing. There's the nuts and bolts to exactly what you need to be doing to actually build what you're trying to do on the internet. And I can tell you exactly, that's the easy part. To be completely honest, you guys, to go and actually learn exactly what you're supposed to be doing and implement those things, that's honestly, it's easy. It's more about yourself and internally what's happening with you that is going to create the success that you're after. And what I really want to do, you guys, is just give you all the knowledge that I possibly can in this next 5 to 10 minutes here and just really help you succeed in growing an online business. If that's something that's, sounds interesting to you, if you're a person that has been searching around on the internet and you've tried several different things and you've tried several different businesses just like me and they've all led to failure, or if you're just going around on the internet and you're doing those online jobs and stuff and you're not making enough money, because I know you can make money at those are great little side hustles, and if you're not making a lot of money, I would suggest to keep doing those things. That way you can take that money and invest it in yourself and actually spend some money on something that's going to actually teach you exactly what you need to do to build a real online business that pays you passive income again and again and again, you guys, for the rest of your life, so that you can actually get freedom back and actually go out there and do what you're passionate about and do what's important to you in life, whether that's hanging out with your kids, whether that's sitting on beaches, whatever it is. Maybe you like to golf, maybe you like to play basketball, maybe you're into hunting, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If you really want a life of freedom and you want to build a life of freedom on the internet, then make sure that you're paying attention, because I'm going to share some things with you today that'll really help you on that path to success. The first thing that I want to let you know right now, and I want to be completely transparent, you guys, is, like I said, I've been searching around so long trying to figure out how I can actually make some real money online, how I can actually create a real business that pays me real money, that I can be my own boss, that I can make my own choices, that that give me the life of freedom that I want. And I want to let you know right now that if you're watching this video, that you have arrived. You've literally arrived, because I have the solution that you're after. And I really just, to be completely transparent, I really just want to save you as much time as possible and tell you that what I'm telling you right now is not a scam. It is 100% real. It can happen for you if it's happened for me. And by the way, it is happening for me. And I want to share my journey with you and share with you exactly how I've broken through and how I'm succeeding at what I'm doing right now. Because everything that I've done thus far, you guys, I haven't really made any money. I've made a tiny little bit of money maybe. And what I'm doing now, it works. And I got started with some people that really care about value. They really care about you. They really care about helping you succeed online. And they know exactly what you need to be doing to find success online. So just to go back real quickly here, you guys, about 7 months ago now, I think I started back in May, I was searching around online, and I'm the type of person that I like structure. I like a process. And I was searching literally step-by-step affiliate marketing or something like that. Something that was going to tell me, do this, then do this, then do this. Put your left foot in front of your right foot. 1, 2, 3 steps, 1 through 10. This is exactly what you need to do to succeed, right? If you can follow a step-by-step process, that someone's telling you exactly what you need to be doing to succeed online and grow a real online business, well, then that has to work, right? But I was scared, just like you. I didn't want to be scammed. I didn't want to be wasting my time and money on something that was a scam. And that is what I really want to let you know, first and foremost, that what I'm talking about right now, you guys, this is not a scam. This is 100% real. This is real people that want to help you and see you succeed online. Alright, you guys, so real quickly, I want to get right to it. The first thing that I can think of that is step number one in the process to becoming successful online or finding success in anything that you want to be really successful at in life is understanding this. Now stick with me here because this is super important. 15 years ago, a gentleman named Tony, I call him my rich uncle Tony, and he came to my house. He was a real estate investor out where I live, and he made $10 million in 7 years. I had went to one of his seminars real quickly, and I reached out to the guy when I was 15 years old, and I basically asked him, how can I do what you're doing? I want to be successful. I want to make millions of dollars and stuff. And what can I do? Is there anything I can do just to help you so that I can become a part of your process and learn what you're doing? And I got an email back. Long story short, the guy came to my house. He sat at my kitchen, our kitchen table, and he basically, the first thing that he asked me when he got to our house was, why? Why do you want to be successful in real estate investing? Why? What is it that is driving you to want to do this? And to be completely honest, I knew the cheap answers, right? I knew that I wanted, a lot of money. I knew that I wanted fancy cars, but I didn't know internally what was big enough to actually drive me to the success that I want, you guys. And when I say that, I'm talking about you need to be searching for a why inside yourself that hurts so bad that literally whenever you feel like you're going to give up on your online business, if you embark on this path and you really want to start your own online business, whenever you feel like you're going to give up, your why means so much to you that literally you can't give up because you can't fail at that why. You cannot fail at that why. When you figure that out for whatever it is that you're trying to succeed, I'm literally getting goosebumps talking about this because that information right there, you guys, is so powerful that when you really understand that you'll really understand that you can be successful in anything that you want to be successful in, whether it's growing an online business or whatever. I want you to understand that at that point in my life when I was 15, to be completely honest, you guys, I don't think I had a why that really meant enough to me that was going to actually drive me forward, right? If I didn't own a Ferrari in a year, then it wasn't going to make or break my life. So whenever things got a little bit hard and, it was like, I don't know how to do this. And, it was very easy to give up because, to be honest, I didn't really care if I had a Ferrari or not. It didn't mean that much to me. Yeah, I want one, but I mean, it wasn't life or death, you guys. And I'm not talking about you have to make life or death decisions, but you have to find a why that literally is going to drive you forward no matter what, sink or swim, right? So figure that out. That will make all the difference in the world because that will keep you motivated. That will keep you going. That will help you find the success that you're after, because success, you guys, all success really is a matter of consistent action and knowing, why it is what you're after. And with the consistent action, and I'm talking about massive action, you guys, action consistently every single day, running these thoughts through your head constantly, something that you're super passionate about. You have to be thinking about this all the time. If you want to succeed at something, it can't be something that just pops in your mind and you think, oh, that's a great idea today. No, this has to be something that you think about every single day, something that you're really pursuing, something that you really want to succeed at. When you start doing that, you will find the success that you're after. The only thing is you really just need to know exactly what you need to be doing, right? Otherwise, you'll get a little bit frustrated. And that is where I was at. That is exactly where I was at when I got started with this 7 months ago, you guys. It took me 15 years to get to a place where I had a why that was great enough to drive me to the success that I wanted. And I finally found a business model that has all of the elements that I want to succeed, right? Because it gives me a life of complete freedom. I can live wherever I want. I can have the time back. And by the way, you guys, time is the most important thing that you could possibly own, right? Money buys time. My rich Uncle Tony taught me this, and I remember one time we were outside and he asked me, he looked down at his watch and he goes, what is the most important thing that you could possibly buy? And I didn't know. I was 15, 16 years old, and I was like, I didn't know what he wanted me to say, and he said time, and he showed me his watch and he said time is the most important thing that you can possibly have. So if you're a younger person and you feel like you have all the time in the world, what I would recommend you guys is to take action now and figure out your why, because what you will find out the older that you get is the less time that you will have. Let me know down in the comments as well, if you don't mind sharing what your why is, why it's so important that you want to succeed at growing your own online business. You guys, I can't recommend that enough. It's so important that you really understand that will drive you forward as long as you take massive action after that. And by the way, you guys, if you want to know exactly what you need to be doing to succeed online, I'm going to share with you exactly what I'm doing. I've left it in my #1 recommendation. It's the first link directly beneath this video. It says my #1 recommendation to succeed online, chadbennettlive.com. If you go to that web address, you can get started right there. Like I said, I have a team of people that I work with that have literally transformed everything that I'm doing today. You guys, I reached a point in my life, just to be completely honest, I reached a point in my life where I was just ready. I was ready. I wanted to break free. I wanted a life of freedom. I want to be able to hang out with my kids, my wife. I want to be able to take trips. I want to be able to work from anywhere in the world. I wanted to have to stop. I didn't want to have to, work for somebody else anymore. And, it's all completely possible, and it's all coming to fruition little by little. I challenge you, go back and look at my original videos about 5 or 6 months ago, you guys. I got started actually where I was making videos. And just look at the growth, you guys. What you'll see through consistency and understanding exactly what I want to accomplish is that I'm actually achieving success. And you can do this too. If I can do this, you can do this too. Trust me. So get started, take action, you guys. If you found any valuable content in this video at all, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That is super important, you guys. It helps to grow my channel, helps get this information out to as many people as possible. And I'm always super grateful for every single like that I get. I really want to see you succeed online, and I'm really passionate about that. Let me know, down in the comments as well, some other topics that you'd like for me to talk about, and I'll get those questions answered for you. And that way you can start succeeding on life, and you can have a life of freedom as well. So last but not least, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.